In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add all S&P 500 companies to a watch list in TradingView. First, open your browser and head over to tradingview.com. If you're not already signed in, I recommend logging into your account so your watch lists are saved and synced across devices. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top navigation bar and click on Products. This opens up a menu with all the tools TradingView offers. From that menu, choose Screeners. This takes you to a powerful filtering tool for markets. Since we're working with stocks, click on Stocks to open the stock screener. You'll see a table with tickers, names, prices, and other columns you can customize. If your layout looks a little different, that's okay. TradingView updates layouts occasionally, but the options we're using are consistent. Next, open the index filter. It's usually located among the filter options above the table. From the list, select SPX. SPX stands for the S&P 500 index, and choosing it filters the table to show only companies included in the S&P 500. Give it a moment to load. You should now see a full list of S&P 500 constituents. Now we're going to select all the rows in the table. Click anywhere inside the table and press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac to select everything. If your selection doesn't highlight the rows, click a ticker cell first, then try the shortcut again. This is an easy way to grab the entire filtered list at once. With everything selected, right-click to bring up the context menu. In that menu, choose Add Selected to Watch List. If your browser blocks right-click actions, you can usually enable it in Settings or use a trackpad two-finger click to open the menu. TradingView will gather the selected symbols and prepare them to be added. You'll now be prompted to pick where these symbols should go. Choose an existing watch list if you already have one set up, or create a new list to keep your S&P 500 names grouped together. Give it a clear label so it's easy to find later. Depending on your plan, watch list limits can vary, and adding hundreds of symbols may take a moment. Just let TradingView finish processing. That's it. You've filtered the stock screener to the S&P 500, selected every symbol at once, and added them to the watch list you want. From here, you can sort, scan, and chart any company in the index without having to search manually. If you ever need to refresh the list as the index changes, just repeat these same steps.